Hello everyone, welcome to the next episode in the Podcasting 101 series. This time, microphones. Everything you wanted or needed to know about microphones for podcasting right here, right now. Okay, so it seems simple. A microphone is just a device that converts air pressure that you create with your vocal cords into an analog signal that is then converted into a digital signal that is then recorded to an audio file. That's how a microphone works. But that's not important. The important thing to know is that there is no one-size-fits-all solution, and often the solution is found in what you can afford. So I don't want you to get bogged down in finding the absolute perfect microphone for your podcast. And the reason I don't want you to do that is because if you get so bogged down in trying to find that one perfect microphone and perfect system, you'll never start creating. So to help you out, I'm going to break it down for you real simple. The two types of microphones you want to focus on are dynamic and condenser. But Jason, which is better? Which is better, condenser or dynamic? And the answer is, that depends. If you watch some of the major podcasts with Joe Rogan and H3, they're running Shure SM7Bs, which are dynamic microphones built specifically for vocal. And they cost around $400, $500, $600 a piece. So if you Google dynamic versus condenser microphone, you will learn that dynamic microphones are more suited towards loud noises like drum sets, and a condenser microphone is more suited towards picking up vocals. So another difference is that a dynamic microphone does not need power to run, while a condenser microphone needs what's called phantom power. It supplies 48 volts to the microphone to power it. This one does not need it. This means that the condenser microphone that has power will have more output from the microphone itself on the audio signal. But on the flip side of that, a dynamic microphone that does not need power is going to have a lower output. This means that somewhere along the chain, this audio signal is going to have to be boosted to a level that you can actually hear it. Personally, I work with vocals only. I prefer condenser microphones. And if you're wondering, this Snowball here is considered a condenser microphone. I said this before in my last video, but it stands to be said again, that the difference between the Snowball Ice and the regular Snowball is that the regular Snowball has a switch on the back that changes the polar pattern, which means that you can set this down between two people, the regular one, not the Ice, and record both because it will change the polar pattern from being recorded on the front to recording from both sides. So you can sit down and do interviews with just a regular Snowball. So you need to think about what you want out of your microphone for your podcast. If you're just a one-person shop, then a single microphone like the Snowball will do you just fine. So as I discussed in my previous video, the more money that you spend on a microphone, the better quality you get, but there comes a point of diminishing returns. This $25 microphone is of lower quality than a $600 microphone. But at the end of the day, are your listeners really going to know the difference? Some might, most won't. So don't sweat it, use what you have, use what you can afford, and focus on the content. Okay, so real quick summary, dynamic microphone, no phantom power needed. Condenser microphone, need 48 volt phantom power from a phantom power supply. Snowball, considered condenser microphone, no power supply needed, as it's a USB microphone, and the computer will supply the power. If you have any more questions, you can feel free to leave them down in the comments or come over to our Discord server. That's linked down in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Please like this video. Please share this video with anybody you think might want to watch it. If you like this video and you want to help me make more content, there are links in the description below to support me on Patreon, Ko-fi, and you can also get my line of merchandise, Civil Mind, Savage Body, at Teespring below. It comes in a hoodie, t-shirt, and a couple other things. So thank you for watching. Happy podcasting. I hope you have a great day. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you next time.